Hi there. In this video, I'm going to give a brief introduction of solverBlaze. solverBlaze is a finite element library or SDK, based on the time-tested finite element solver engine in Real 3D. You can use the API to develop your custom software royalty-free. solverBlaze is available in both 32-bit and 64-bit CPU architectures, with easy-to-use C++ and .NET interfaces. For more information about its technical capabilities, please visit www.cg-inc.com. Let's first download the SDK. It's gonna take a little time. Okay, download is finished. Let's install the SDK. You can configure code samples for your development environment. By doing so, all necessary files to run the code sample will be copied to the build folder, so you do not have to do it manually yourself. Now the SDK is installed. Let's look at the installed folder structure. In the Docs folder, we have solverBlaze Quick Guide file. You should study this short guide. For C++ developers, we have both the include directory and the lib directory. The bin directory contains native DLLs and .NET assemblies for different CPU architectures. Now let's open the sample solution for Visual Studio 2017. The sample solution contains a C++ console application. And a .NET console application. The .NET sample application is written in C#, but you can use VB.NET instead if you like. Let's build the solution. The build output will be under the build folder. The build is finished. Let's run the app. First, the native C++ application. Then, the .NET application. One last thing I wanted to mention is the two-way communications between solverBlaze and the real 3D. This means that you can use solverBlaze to programmatically open and solve a real 3D model. You can use real 3D to open and graphically view model files generated by solverBlaze. You can even use real 3D to automatically generate solverBlaze source code that corresponds to the current real 3D model. For this last point, let me give you an example. Here we have a continuous beam model. We can generate solverBlaze source code to create this model. To do that, let's go to File, Advanced. Generate solverBlaze source code. Click OK. Let's view the generated source code. Here is the file. Now you can use this generated code directly. That is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.